Hi there, I'm Michael Peterman, General Manager of Savage Brothers Company. We are a 165-year-old confectionery equipment manufacturer, so we're also a 25-year member of the TMA. So not quite as long as we've been in business, but still a good amount of time. So we manufacture equipment that makes cooked confections, roasted nuts, caramel, toffees, along with some chocolate producing equipment and equipment for the bakery industry as well. We do have a few small pieces of equipment that we use, tabletop size equipment all the way up to something that might process 2,000 pounds of chocolate all at once. So the TMA has been a tremendous resource for us navigating these tough times in terms of COVID. They've been a great resource for a centralized location, information that the government puts out, right? Whether that's a mandate or some sort of legislation. So we keep an eye on that and we keep up to date and use that as our primary source of information. During the TMA is a great community also of manufacturers. We're able to share information with one another. If another member has a question related to software or a manufacturing process, we're able to sort of get tuned into one another and answer each other's questions. It's really great too. So you meet other companies that do similar things to you. It brings a lot of value too when you can walk into somebody else's facility. The fact that they open those doors to that and are open to questions and trying to help one another, is crucial. I think for us, and a great part of why we are TMA members.